my name is Tiana. I'm a TEFL certified tutor. I've been tutoring for 4 years, and today's video is going to be on vowel sounds. So today's video is going to be specifically on vowel sounds. So we're just going to be talking about A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So let's focus on these vowel sounds and let's get into today's video. In this video, we're going to focus on the short and long vowel sounds. With long vowel sounds, we usually just say the letter. So A will be A and say, and E and eat. I and ice. O and oak. U and use. There is a different thing when it comes to Y. Y tends to sound like an E or I long vowel sound when it's long. So can D and fly I. Now let's look at the short vowel sounds. They're the more open mouth version of the vowels, so like ooh, things like that. So let's start off with A, cat. E, every. I, in. O, ox. U, up. Y, yacht. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed what you learned today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And turn your notification bell on so you can be updated and notified whenever there's a next video for you. And feel free to leave a comment down below on any video suggestions you have or anything that you would like me to make a video on, or just talk to me. I would love to hear from you guys and feel a part of this community. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.